So we've got another example here, and I want y'all to look at it. Remember, the first thing I should always check is, does negative 8 go into both these terms? It does not. Because it doesn't, I know I need to factor this how? By grouping. Good. And so I'm going to do A times C, and I get negative 16, right? And so I'll list my factors of negative 16. 1 times 16. And that's probably your answer right there, because 16 minus 1 is negative 15, right? But we're going to have to do negative 16 plus 1, aren't we? To get negative 15. So I'm going to go negative 8x squared minus 16x plus 1x plus 2. Right? And now I'm going to group it. Group these two in a binomial and these two in a binomial. Now, it wouldn't matter if you did 1x first and then negative 16x second. You're still going to get the same thing, okay? So now let's look at each binomial and figure out what will factor. In this first binomial, I can see that negative 8 factors out. Anytime the first number is negative, you want to factor that negative as well. So you want to factor out negative 8 here, not just 8. Okay, and they both have an x, so I'm going to factor out negative 8x, like that. When I do that, when I divide this by negative 8x, I get x. And when I divide this by negative 8x, I get plus 2. And right here, 1x is the same thing as just x, isn't it? So here I just have x plus 2 as well, don't I? So now you can see both of these have a what? They have an x plus 2, right? So I'm understood to be in front of this parentheses right here is a what? A 1. So I'm going to write that 1 right here. And so I've got, I'm going to factor out x plus 2. And when I do that, it goes away from here and it goes away from here, leaving me what in the second parentheses?
Negative 8x plus 1.
Good, and that's your answer. So if you put this into Khan Academy, it'll give you the right answer. That's it fully factored right there.